Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best immersion blenders under $50. Watch till the end to find our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Amazon Basics 500-watt multi-speed immersion hand blender. The Amazon Basics immersion hand blender is a well-designed appliance for small-scale blending. The blender comes with an elongated detachable blending stick, enabling unlimited use in long containers and deep pots. It even comes with a whisk, a chopper, and a beaker setup to minimize splatter and spillage while blending. Its out-of-the-box features include multiple blending speed settings and the lock-unlock feature. It's relatively small and lightweight, enhancing hand flexibility while blending. Its handle is also made of a non-slip silicone grip, which promotes safety while working with the blender. Lastly, its parts are metallic, making it easy to clean them. KOIOS Hand Mixer Stick Blender. Are you searching for a budget, super powerful, small-scale hand blender? If yes, the KOIOS Hand Mixer Stick Blender will give you the coverage you need. The blender comes with a 1,000-watt motor with 12+ turbo blending speeds and knob controls. The motor is also made of super safe material and technology that prevents it from overheating, overloading, and producing loud noises when working. Its complete package consists of an egg whisk, a milk frother, chopper bowl, and a blending beaker, guaranteeing the multi-functionality of the blender. Its chopper is made of stainless steel blades, ensuring durability and efficiency in chopping hard ingredients. Also, it has an ergonomic handle that ensures comfort and a non-slip grip, which enhances safety while working with the appliance. The blender is dishwasher safe. Bonsenkitchen Immersion Blender. Does your choice of blender rely on the number of speeds the appliance comes with? If so, the Bonsenkitchen Immersion Blender is your perfect choice. The blender presents with more than 20 blending speeds and a knob control mechanism. Besides the knob, the blender has a turbo button for engaging the turbo speed and a power button for on-off switching. The blender is accompanied by a whisk, a beaker, and a chopper bowl. These detachable components make the appliances easy to clean. However, the setup is not dishwasher safe. Which is the best? KOIOS Hand Mixer Stick Blender is the best immersion blender under $50, as it presents more functionalities and has a robust motor. Also, its makeup prevents it from overheating and generating loud noises while operating. Lastly, it's dishwasher safe and consists of detachable components, making it easy to store and clean. Thanks for watching.